All right, here is a quick tutorial on how to get going on the 3-day portfolio challenge at Trade Ideas using the simulated account. Step number one, you're going to need a Windows machine. This is a Windows download application. If you don't have that, you're not going to have access to the simulator unless you have a virtual machine, which of course is a whole other topic, but you're welcome to do that. So, assuming you have your Windows desktop, you open the program, and regardless of what your current layout looks like, you can grab the toolbar here and select New Brokerage Plus window. And that will open this window right here. Step number two, we've got to get connected. So if you'll notice over here, we've got a red broken connection. Let's click on that menu and select at the bottom, Connect to Trade Ideas Simulated Trading. All right, now we've got some ideas, some simulated orders. We've got a positions tab, an orders tab, executions, etc. So for now, I'm going to stay in the positions tab, but I want to highlight this. This is what we're viewing. Right now, I'm viewing everything in here. I believe those are just a couple of trades in what I've called my simulated trading account. Now, what I want to emphasize is this is a 3-day event and it starts Tuesday live. So that means Monday you have the ability to mess around with this platform and make some simulated trades, get in, get out, make your mistakes, learn the ropes, figure out where some of the confusion and some of the answers might be so that when Tuesday comes around, you can seamlessly get in and get out of the trades you want. Now, there are a couple of different ways in which you can do that. The first thing I want to highlight your attention to is right here. This is a menu in the order entry panel. And by the way, I can click any one of my scans, any one of my charts, and now we're on Skyworks. Okay, SWKS. I clicked it from a scan. The symbol is loaded correctly. If I want to grab a quantity, I've got a hot button there. I can up it to 2,000 shares perhaps simulated, and I can say I need it to go to this. Now this is very important. Please pay attention. This is step 3. The order entry panel has to know where your order is going. This is the number one most common mistake made on the first day of trading, so don't make this mistake. Make sure you once and only once point your simulator towards the Portfolio Master Contest. Now that's going to be the case when we go live. Likely that won't be available until the Tuesday event starts. So what you're going to do is practice on Monday sending trades to the simulated trading default. Okay, now that you've got your order entry panel set, you can say buy at market, buy at limit. You can do limits, markets, but go ahead and send that order. You'll see we've got a message down here that says we bought 2,000, and there's 2,000 Skyworks right there. If I want to adjust that, I can right click and set a stop. I can quickly set a stop and also do it from the chart window. Let me quickly show you. If I just want to set a stop at 107, I can click that, and very quickly the stop can be adjusted by grabbing and pulling it down with the mouse. So that's one way to make your orders. The second way to make your orders is everybody's going to have a default button that calls for how you're going to buy shares and how you're going to sell shares. I believe it's set to 5,000. I'm not sure, but again, you can use Monday to decide if you want to track your trading this way, or excuse me, if you want to execute your trading this way. Here's a buy and a sell button right here. Let's go to a new symbol. We'll go to, say, GCT. Let's say we want to buy some more GCT. We're going to click the buy button, and we're going to highlight our cursor and drop it right about there. And there is a buy limit button at 14.89. I can adjust that up or down into the price and get an execution regardless. That can be a direct way to buy and sell from the chart if you do not want to use the order entry panel. It's up to you. Those are your two choices. So again, use Monday. There's the simulated buy. The line just turned faint, and now I have a lot of 5,335 GCT, which was adding to my position. If I want to put a stop in there, I can modify my stop order, put the exact price in, and that is a way in which we can manage. There you go. You can see I can pop that up or drop it down however I want. It's very easy, it's very intuitive, but use Monday. Use Monday to try things, try some experiments, try things that normally psychology of live money would not allow you to do. See if you can get away with throwing 25% of your account at a $4 million, 4 million share low floater. Use that time to try and experiment because I'll tell you, once the live trading starts, it's going to be the Wild West out there. So please don't forget to drop by every day at 12 o'clock. We've got a live user support live stream on YouTube, 12 o'clock Eastern. But for now, this is the basics of getting going. Just to reiterate, the most important thing to do is to make sure your order entry panel is set to the Portfolio Master Contest and also view the Portfolio Master Contest. There we go. We've got a view of just the Portfolio Master Contest simulation and the Portfolio Master Contest in our order entry. That's the number one mistake that most people will make. So don't make that mistake, and good luck.